0, 1, 2, 3. Let's get started.
Hi, I'm Jacob, and welcome back to Experiments with George and Jacob. Today we have a special guest.
Oh, that's real good.
Her name is Janelle. So let's go say hi to her. She'll be helping us with our experiments and to babysit us.
Hey!
So we're gonna go do it like we did last time. We're gonna go through a number generator, and I'll pick our experiment. So here we go. 287. Okay, so there are two experiments on this one, so we're gonna do another random number generator. Actually, no. Yeah, we're 297. Exothermic exercise is what we're doing. So, we have hydrogen peroxide, right?
Probably not.
Gotta check a bathroom.
Hydrogen peroxide. That's right.
Maybe probably upstairs if you're gonna have it.
Yeah, but I mean,
It's usually in like a brown jar because it can't be directly exposed to sunlight and it bubbles up. It's got more hydrogen, so it's H3 something, I think.
oh,
Yeah, it breaks apart bonds with oxygen. That's why it bubbles.
I don't know if we just randomly have that line.
Usually houses do have hydrogen peroxide.
Yeah.
I'll check upstairs.
Alright, me and George are gonna continue. Do you guys have a thermometer?
Yeah, yes. We should, but someone. So.
Okay. Quick rising dry yeast.
We don't have that. Yeast. That's we don't make bread.
Let's
I'm just thinking.
we can't do this one, so
Okay, let's just re-roll.
yeah. Janelle, we're gonna re-roll because we can't do this one.
Okay.
Oh no.
We don't have yeast either, right?
Yes, we do. We do.
Oh, we do.
I was just finding
we
it
have
in the fridge and
hydrogen
asking
peroxide?
Papa whether it would.
They're very
And we have
common.
hydrogen peroxide.
Yes.
Oh.
Lisa, do you have quick rising dry yeast?
Yes.
Alright,
I don't know.
record.
I'm recording.
Okay, so
What are you guys doing?
we're doing another
Exothermic energy.
exercise.
Exercise. Exothermic.
So we just found out we do have quick rising dry yeast.
This is yeast. I don't know about quick rising. It's dry. It's been in there forever, but it's kind of dormant when it's
Yeah, when
In
it's
the
not
fridge?
being fed.
So you can try it. We might have those little packets too, but I don't know if they're considered quick rising.
It might be.
Which quick rising yeast?
So the reason that yeast rises is because it's actually a little group of bacteria that live in among this stuff.
It's actually an animal. When I used to play 20 questions with my friend, she would always do, you know how you have to say whether it's animal, vegetable, or mineral? Like
She
it's
would always
either-
do yeast because
She would always
it's
do
an
yeast because it's an animal and nobody ever gets that. I was so annoyed.
Right, that's true.
Wait, there was something I was gonna submit it down here.
Alright, we'll cut back when we have
Oh, latest round of goat cheese is with mint.
Ooh, fascinating.
Because it's the
The quick rising might help with the release of heat. It probably just happens a little faster, a little more strongly or something like that. That would be my guess. I haven't even looked at the rest of the experiment. Oh, yeah, definitely. So it's just about how fast the reaction happens.
Okay, so we're just so next we need a spoon, pencil, and paper.
Yep, and you have a bowl?
Yes.
Oh yeah, small bowl.
No pressure.
Food. I need some.
This is an animal.
There's a piece of paper on there, I think. This one, you guys had it for some other experiment. I don't know.
Yeah, the pencil's right here.
Then we need a spoon.
Oh,
That's
are these expired?
I don't think so.
You could just
They're
put a
kind of
little-
squishy.
It makes it smell stale, dude.
It does or doesn't?
No, it doesn't smell stale.
Small bowl, by the
But
way.
it's because you have to roll this down.
Okay, so
It has absorbed a little humidity.
also a thermometer, so like one of those that sticks. Okay. Here's our bowl. Here's your spoon. Here's our hydrogen peroxide. Pencil, papers right down over here. Is
Just used it for making the cheese.
Perfect.
that for you?
This is thermometer.
Oh, it's a meat thermometer. I guess
It works.
Is it
Gotta
always
get
on?
the tip of the sensor. No.
Oh, it's a topical solution. Oh, okay.
Okay, so we're gonna.
Oh, wait, no, I knew.
We should probably do this outside, right? Since we don't want to make a mess like our last experiment.
Antiseptic.
This should not make a big mess.
We should still do it outside on the porch because that's where we've done our last experiment. So
I think this is a good place because I can set the camera up way better and
okay.
We can leave the lights on. We can move some of this stuff out of the way if you want.
All this stuff over here.
I just like the little snap from the.
yeah, Jacob. Sassy.
A lot of flair. Sassy.
Mr. Sassy.
George,
Missed.
are we on air?
I'm Mr. Sassy Pants.
I apologize, sir.
I apologize. George, that stuff underneath the gimbal.
Yeah, I'm not gonna.
It's not gonna.
This, that. Oh, the camera needs to come over here. I think. I don't know. Should. All right.
It's on you right now.
What to do? Record the temperature showing on the thermometer, and then place it in the bowl. So what's the temp right now?
I changed it to Fahrenheit. It said.
68.
Yeah, it's probably because I was holding it for a minute, so it shot up to 83 for a second, but it was on 63.
That's 67.
Uh-huh.
No, see, I have to record it first. So it's now 66.
I'm gonna move the camera real quick.
It'll keep dropping for a second. I think it's 63 in here.
There we go.
63.3?
Dude.
Let's call it 63.
I think it's 63. Exactly 63 degrees.
Mm-hmm.
Like that.
Yep.
There we go.
1 tablespoon and 1/4
sorry,
of a
technical.
cup.
So, the room temperature is 63 Fahrenheit. If you are in Celsius, too bad.
That's 17.2 degrees Celsius.
Okay, so next, pour the hydrogen peroxide. Pour in the hydrogen peroxide. So we need to put in
Half a cup.
1/4.
1/4 of a cup.
So come over here with me, and we're gonna go get the 1/4. One-quarter cup. We also need 1 tablespoon. Are these tablespoons? Are these tablespoons? George?
Yes. I was gonna say figure it out, but then I realized. No, wait.
Tablespoon.
Those are teaspoons. This is. TBS.
Okay, here's the tablespoon and here's the cup.
No, that's not good.
1/4 a cup.
Or one for-
We need.
One of those.
One,
Yeah, one of these. So,
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna have.
Oh, this is fresh.
So we're gonna have
Oh.
Janelle pour into here because
Okay. Yeah.
I don't trust myself.
That's fair.
I don't trust you either. But
Excuse me.
what?
Excuse me.
Jacob, that's so rude of you. How could you say that?
There it is.
That's cool.
Pour it on in.
And it's not even that. No, it's
Get a
really-
video. Get a shot of this pouring it.
Oh yeah. It's already recording.
Oh yeah, that's hydrogen peroxide.
Can I touch it with my hand?
Yeah, just don't lick your fingers. You can put it on your skin and stuff.
Okay, so we don't need
You
to.
can actually rinse your
I'm gonna
mouth
go
with
put.
it.
I'm gonna
Just
go
don't
rinse.
swallow it.
Oh.
H2O2 is actually, I think, what it is. Hydrogen peroxide.
H2O2.
Mhm.
H2O2. Is it basically water? Just.
It's almost water, but with O2, that's what makes it separate bonds or something. I'm having a hard time remembering right now.
Alright,
So
now
it's
we have
liquid-
to add
does that
the
make it
yeast.
lighter than water? Or heavier than water?
We need
I
to
think it's
add the
lighter.
yeast. How much yeast? One
One
tablespoon
tablespoon.
of yeast.
You should just be able to take a scoop of that. Twist.
No, that's not the tablespoon. That's a spoon. This is a tablespoon. Are they both the same?
Yes.
Yes.
You may do the. George, would you like to do the honors of?
I'm holding the camera. So.
Okay. Can I touch it?
Yep.
Yeah, about 1 tablespoon.
It's about 1 tablespoon.
Okay.
Okay.
Now I think I'm gonna go put this in some ground.
You should see a little bit of bubble, a little bit of foam on the
Would
sides.
you like to stir it?
Oh yeah, that looks cool.
It says stir.
Right.
You want me to hold the camera on here?
Oh. Oh. That is weird.
Yeah, it's gonna get frothy.
Yeah, can you take that out?
Oh, it's.
Mm-hmm.
It foams up in bubbles. That's what it says it's gonna do.
Now what's the point of this again?
It's gonna heat up. It's already doing that. All right, you're at 72 right now.
Jeez. As you walk, feel the lower sides and the bottom.
The bottom of the bowl.
I don't think we need to wait a bit longer.
No,
It feels kind of warm.
it is warmer. It would be way colder if it was
What if
just
we
sitting
stick our
there.
finger in it? Would it just feel like
It
warm
would be
water?
warm. This is 81 right now. You can stick your finger in if you want. Just wash
All right, now
your
you have to
hands
wait
after.
2 minutes. So George,
Warm.
you're gonna set a time for 2 minutes.
Yucky.
Okay.
You want to stick your finger in there?
Yeah.
And we're gonna
Jacob, you should do it too.
No, I don't want to.
Just a little warm foam.
Oh wow.
Weird,
Whoa,
right?
That feels so weird. Okay, I'm gonna go wash my hands.
Yeah, me too. Warm foam.
All right, George, we're gonna have to time lapse for 2 minutes.
Oh yeah, well time lapse it so they can see what happens. Oh well, and it changed anything in like visibility or just in temperature?
George.
Oh, sorry.
There's
I'm a criminal.
a zoology channel that I watch. Like they have an animal rescue, and they have a big African dog named George, and they call him
Oh.
Georgie.
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 All right, time lapse time.
Look at that foam. It's foaming.
Oh God.
So the hydrogen peroxide is murdering the yeast.
Oh, that's that. Wow. Can
If
you
the
put it back
yeast
up
is
there?
a small little animal
Jacob, can you put it back up there? Jacob, can you put it back up there?
Oh, yes, sir.
for staging. We're at 86 degrees, by the way.
Okay, start the time lapse.
I need to
Okay.
zoom in first. Oh, come on. Blow me. And now you're not. That may be need some better place to put it. Maybe on here.
You need a time lapse of this.
Here?
This might work. Yes, there we go.
Then how do
Oh, wait, don't start the timer yet.
Oh.
Okay, I'll start the time lapse and it'll go for 2 minutes. Okay, so that didn't really do much because, well, at least it's recording. But yeah. So,
The highest we had it at was 86 Fahrenheit.
Mm-hmm.
You recording?
yeah.
Wait, sorry. Yeah, during it, it got 86 Fahrenheit, and now it's dropping. So that is the exothermic exercise. So yeah.
Let's do another one.
Yeah.
What about King Kong's hand?
No, they have to do a random number.
Oh, okay.
So see you guys.